If you're experiencing login issues on TrackJS, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use src to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in lead databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to TrackJS support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on TrackJS efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.